This is an unboxing video of the Anker PowerDrive 2 car charger. It's a dual port 24 watt charger. Yeah, it's quite small. Let's go ahead and open it. A little booklet. So yeah, it can charge two devices at the same time. These are the specifications. 12 watt 24 volt input, can output 2.4 amps, quite fast charger. I have to say it has a really nice carbon fiber mesh here, makes it look really sleek, so it'll look nice even in high-end cars. It is quite a small one, so it'll fit nicely in a lot of cars. These two USB ports will light up with blue LEDs. I've seen it, it looks really nice, so you can see it in the dark, so you don't have to struggle to find the charger. It does have the Anker Power IQ charging, so it will be fast charging, although for the new S9 and S9 Plus it will not charge at the highest rate, but it will for all of the other devices. It's really high quality, and yeah, it doesn't come with any cables, but it's a good charger and I'd recommend it.